Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you to install WhatsApp on your MacBook Air. Alright, so of course this applies to Mac, even if it's a Pro, doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it's a Mac. Alright, so I have the iPhone over here, and of course this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It doesn't really matter which version, as long as it's the iPhone. And of course, we want to use WhatsApp on the Mac. So this is what you do. So first of all, if you do not have the app, you're gonna go to the App Store. So the App Store is right here. It says App Store. So go ahead and launch. You're gonna search here. You're gonna search for WhatsApp. Search. Now, of course, this is WhatsApp. Mine is already installed. So go ahead and tap on Get. And of course, once it's finished, you can go ahead and hit open. If you don't want to open from there, you can actually find it. It's very easy. Go to apps, which is that icon there. You're going to tap. Once you tap, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the option for WhatsApp. So go ahead, guys, and you're going to launch WhatsApp. All right, so you're going to see the welcome screen. So it says welcome to WhatsApp. You're going to hit continue. All right, here it gives you a QR code. It says scan this QR code to link an existing WhatsApp account with this device. All right, so it must be a existing WhatsApp account. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead. I'm gonna unlock my iPhone here, and what you're gonna do from here is you can go ahead and you're gonna go to, and the instruction is right there. You're gonna go into WhatsApp. So here I have WhatsApp, so I'm gonna open. All right, so I'm gonna launch WhatsApp. Now that I'm in WhatsApp, I'm gonna go to settings. All right, so we're in settings here. All right, so next you're gonna go here that says link devices. So go ahead and tap, and we're gonna go to link a device. All right, so we're gonna hit link a device. All right, next it's saying here WhatsApp would like to access your camera. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to hit allow. It says confirm it's you. I'm going to confirm with Face ID. All right, would you like to allow WhatsApp to use Face ID for the purpose of what you're doing? Go ahead and allow it. All right, so now it's asking you to scan the QR code. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to hit OK. You may have to reload. All right, so it identifies the device as being the Mac. It says allow WhatsApp. All right, so we're going to hit continue on the Mac, in the background, and there you go. We are now connected. So of course it's now linked. So over here you can see the WhatsApp chat, and over here, let me unlock. We see that it says the Mac is connected. We can disconnect through that same screen as well in case you want to unlink them. But of course my messages will start popping up, and you'll see them over here on your screen. So you can work on either device, it will work the same, or if they're in proximity, you'll find that your WhatsApp chats will start popping up. All right, so I hope this was useful. And as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and coming to you with another tutorial showing you how to use or set up the WhatsApp over on your Mac so you can receive your notifications. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.